Once Imam Abu Hanifa rahimahullah was giving a dars, a lecture, and somebody came up and said, Imam, stop this nonsense. What's this qiyas that you've started? And Shaitan was the first person to perform qiyas. When Allah commanded the angels and said to them, gathered them and said, Usjudu li Adam, make sajda to Adam. Fasajada al-malaikatu kulluhum ajma'un illa Iblis. All the angels made sajda except Iblis. And then he made qiyas. He made ijtihad for himself. And he said, Ana khayrun minhu, I'm better than him. You made him from dust. And you made me from fire. So why should I make sajda to him? So this man said to Abu Hanifa rahimahullah, that you are doing the same thing that Shaitan did, made qiyas. Abu Hanifa rahimahullah, may Allah enlighten his grave and elevate his status in paradise. And may Allah grant us His love and love of all great scholars and friends of Allah as we ought to love them. Imam Sahib calmly said, there is a fundamental difference between qiyas of Shaitan and the qiyas that we are doing. The qiyas that Shaitan did, he did it for justification of rebelling against Allah and rejecting His command and disobeying Allah. The qiyas that we do is in order to obey Allah. So there is a difference. What Shaitan did, his qiyas, to compare himself with Adam, he said, I am better than Adam. خَلَقْتَنِي مِن نَارٍ وَخَلَقْتَهُ مِن طِينٍ. You made me from fire, made him from teen, from sand, from clay. So I am better. So he justified his refusal to make sajda to Adam alayhi salam, and hence disobey Allah. But the qiyas Imam Abu Hanifa rahimahullah and the other A'immah Mujtahideen used to do was in order to facilitate obedience of Allah.